Hi students. Today's class we will discuss about political parties and elections. In the previous classes we have discussed about democracy and parliament. In democracies we elect our representatives and we send them to parliament. And logically, when we elect and send representatives, what is the next most important thing? It is the political parties. Political parties are voluntary organizations of people who believe in certain ideas and cause. Let me explain you through an example. Imagine there is a beautiful family having a grandfather and a grandmother and a father, mother, daughter, and a son. They all have decided to go out and watch a movie one day. The grandparents said they want to watch some Telugu language movie or some other regional language movie. But the father and the daughter said they want to watch an English movie, a science fiction movie, because science fiction, space, high technology, and they are fun to watch to some people. And the mother and the son they wanted to watch a Chinese movie because they like kung fu fights, karate fights, and the magic in those movies, people flying in the air. They feel it funny and they want to enjoy such kind of movies. So the boy who is sitting on the shoulders of the grandfather said, "We will have chits to write a choice of the movie name and drop it in a box. Whichever the movie gets maximum number of votes, that is choices, we will go to that movie." So simple, right? This is the way how elections in India are conducted. The chits, like the chits, we will have the name of a person and we will choose like different political parties exist in country like India. In a chit, there will be different political parties names and the candidate associated with it. It was the chit system was existing some 10 years back. Right now, we are having the electoral voting machines, but the concept is same. The machine will have a list of people and the names and the political party and the symbol, and we just need to press the button. It will count the votes of that candidate. Okay, now you have understood how elections work. I have given you the definition of political parties. In the same way, let me elaborate the concept of political parties. I have given you the concept like explained you the concept like political parties are voluntary organization of people believing in ideas and cause. What is the idea? Let me explain you through an example. Ideas are communist, capitalist ideologies. For example, like the mother, like Chinese movies. Some people believe in communist ideologies. They are called communist parties. What is communist ideology? Communist ideology believe in the community of people. They don't believe in having a private property. That is, an individual or a person owning a property of his own. All property belongs to the government. Such kind of radical ideologies exist. And some people believe in the capitalist ideology, that is, investment, business, having private property. Like English, like people like watching English movies like science fiction, space, high technologies. These are all the Hollywood movies, right? The Western societies like USA, Western Europe, they believe in the capitalist ideology. Some political parties in India believe in this kind of ideology. Some political parties in India, they believe in this kind of ideology. And there are other parties which believe in the cause, like regional parties. For example, TDP, Telugu Desam Party, YSRCP, DMK in Tamil Nadu, BJP, PJD in Orissa. These are all regional parties because they believe in the cause of a region's because some region will be backward in development. They want to give development and prosperity to that people. So, with such a cause, they will establish political parties and they will go to elections in order to bring development to that region. So, now you have understood what is ideas. Ideas, means certain concept where it has tested in certain regions. Like capitalism was a concept which was tested in America before India got independence. And there was a concept like socialism which was tested in USSR and which was successful there. And India adopted that, and also capitalist system at the time of independence. We went for mixed ideologies. We will discuss about them in the coming economy classes. So let us restrict here to political ideologies. So, political parties are voluntary organization of people who believe in certain ideas and causes. The ideas might be communist, capitalist, and regional parties. And in modern democratic societies, the political scientists they have divided the political parties into three groups. One is leftist, while another is centrist, and the third thing is rightist. What are leftist parties? Radical parties who believe in the concept of revolution and protest, like communist parties. What I have explained. Examples are CPI in India and the centrist parties, which are liberal. They believe in the concept of reforms, means which doesn't take place in a day or night. They will things happen slowly and gradually. But things change. That is their ideology. They believe in the methods of constitutional means. Okay? If the constitution permits protests, they will do. Otherwise, they will give petitions to the government and they will go to the court of law asking for changes in the administrative procedures and asking for the justice. Okay? And again, the third category is rightist governments. They believe in the status quo and conservative governments, conservative approach. They don't want to change the things, but they always want to keep the things as they are. Sometimes they do want to bring the systems, existing systems, to those old and Asian systems because they believe they are far better. Okay, now you have understood the categories of political parties. In India, we have multiple political parties, but in USA there are only two political parties. One is Democrats, what there are Democrats, and there is Republicans. And in Britain also there are only two political parties. But in India, we do have multiple political parties. We call it as multi-party system in India, like BJP, Indian National Congress, BSP, like I have said, TDP, YSRCP. There are multiple political parties in the central government that is across India. They are called national parties and multiple political parties at a state level also. And they are called regional parties. They are called state parties. Okay. This is it for the video. And the next video we will discuss more about in continuation of this concept. If you have any doubts, please comment below. I will explain you those concepts also. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please share your love and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to like and share our video. See you in the next video. Bye.